We are doing some comb coils today. Right now I'm going through asking her where she wants her part, so that way I can section off the hair according to how she wants the hair to fall. So right now she's doing a left side part, so put the part where you want it and then go ahead and section off all of the hair. And you want to do pretty much how you would do it if you were setting off some box braids, basically going through and do your sections where you have the back lower nape across the back of the head and then your top section. I like doing bantus so that way the hair still stays damp while I am working on other sections. When you guys are doing a style that is best done wet, you want to make sure that you're keeping that moisture, and even if you're going to go through and spray the hair first, because the hair won't be as it won't move as much if you let it dry out and then try to spray it. You got to wait till that water gets in there. So that's what that's for. Now I'm going to go through and add my foam, and I'm going to brush that through so that way I can make sure I get it through all of the hair. You want to have enough foam at the root and throughout the hair when you're doing your comb coils, because that's going to help you get the slip to it when you are running the comb through the hair. So I'm going to start off with this first one, and then I'm going to continue through and show you guys some different angles on how to actually do this. If you guys are into doing different styles for natural hair and braiding, and you guys want people to work with while you're doing it, join my accountability group, because that's where we are doing different practices so that way we can get better at different styles. So if that's something you're into, go ahead and click the link inside the description so you can get over to the group. So this is the comb coil. When you're doing this, you want to keep rotating that comb in your fingers so that way you can get it to keep coiling all the way down. I'm going to show a different angle here, and then I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of this video. When you're comb coiling long hair, your hair may overwrap and you have to straighten it back out. So you see how I pulled that out so that way it didn't wrap too many times in the comb, because then you'll get it stuck, and then that's one of the most annoying things where your coil is now messed up and you have to go through and redo it again because the hair got stuck. So if you unwrap it some and keep going down, you'll be able to make it all the way down to the end. This usually only happens when the person has a longer hair. This one you can see close when you go in and turn the comb under. You don't want to catch that hair underneath. You want to tuck that comb under the section of hair. This also keeps it where the comb is not grabbing too much hair at one time, so that way you can continue to glide down. Once you feel that part where it's starting to feel stiff, unwrap that piece and keep going all the way down to the ends. I like to hold the coils as I'm going down the shaft of the hair, because anytime where there's a time I need to pull down, I don't want the little hairs pulling out their scalp. So that's why you'll see me hold at different times going through with the different comb coils.